Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the integration by the substitution methods. Now we take some example 57. Integration of sine 2x divided by sine to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x dx, and question number 58. Here integration of now solution of question number 57 here. 57 here. Solution: integration of sin 2x divided by sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x dx. Now this is equal to here sin 2x integration of 2 sin x into cos x divided by, here we take sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x dx. Now I am dividing cos to the power 4x. I am dividing cos to the power 4x. Denominator as well as numerator, so that integration of 2 sin x cos x divided by cos to the power 4x, and here sin to the power 4x divided by cos to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x divided by cos to the power 4x dx. Now this is equal to here. This can be written as 2 sin by cos x. Arrange this integration of 2 sin by cos x, sin x by cos x into 1 cos and 1 cos remove, in denominator cos square x 1 by cos square x dx divided by, this is equal to sin to the power 4x divided by cos to the power 4x. This is tan to the power 4x. Tan to the power 4x plus, this is remove 1. Simple here. This can be written as 2 comes here, sin by cos tan x. This can be written as integration of 2 tan x into 1 by cos square sec square x divided by tan to the power 4x plus 1 dx. Now putting tan square x equal to putting tan square x equal to t here. Now differentiating. Now here putting tan square x equal to t, then differentiating with respect to x here, 2 tan x and tan x sec square x dx equal to dt here. Now in this case, now this can be equal to integration of 2 tan x sec square x dx, 2 tan x sec square x dx equal to dt, and divided by tan square x equal to t, so that here t to the power tan to the power 4x, so that this is equal to t square plus 1. T square plus 1. Now, as you know that integration of 1 by 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse x. As you know that integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to tan inverse x. This is a formula, so that this is equal to tan inverse t. This is equal to tan inverse x, tan inverse t. Putting the value of t here, t is tan square x, so that this is equal to tan inverse tan square x, and plus add the integrating constant c. This is our answer here. Now we take next example here. Now question number 58 here. Integration of tan x divided by under root sin to the power 4 plus s to the power 4 dx here. Now in this case, integration of tan x divided by here, in this case we take the common cos square x, cos to the power 4x, and comes here cos square x under root sin to the power 4x divided by cos to the power 4x. This is equal to tan to the power 4x and plus 1. In this case plus 1, because cos to the power 4x comes common, and after that cos square x, so that this is 1. Now dx, putting tan square x equal to t. Now differentiating it with respect to, now here putting tan square x equal to t, differentiating it with respect to x, 2 tan x and tan x, that is sec square x dx equal to dt, so that this integration will be tan x, and this here, this is can be written as integration of tan x and 1 by cos square x sec square x dx divided by tan to the power 4x plus 1 under root, and putting this, so that 2 tan x sec square x dx equal to this, so that tan x into sec square x dx equal to dt by 2, putting in this case tan x sec square x dx dt by 2, and this is 1 by under root t square plus 1 dt, integral of this as you here, and dt comes here, dt by 2, so that this can be written as 1 by 2 integration of 1 by under root t square plus 1 dt. As you know that integration of dx, x square plus a square is equal to ln x plus under root x square plus a square, integrating constant here c. In the similar sense 1 by 2 here, and this will be equal to ln x plus this, here x is t plus under root x square and t square plus 1 mod of this plus integrating constant c. As you know that value of log is not equal to 0. Now putting the value of t, 1 by 2 ln t is tan square x here, so that in this case tan square x plus under root t square tan to the power 4x plus 1 tan to the power 4x plus 1 mod of this plus c, integrating constant. This is our answer. Now we take another example. Now here question number 59, integration of cos x plus sin x divided by under root sin 2x dx. 60 cos x minus sin x divided by under root sin 2x, and here also negative. We take one note here, sin 2x can be written as 1 minus bracket में 1 minus sin 2x minus plus sin 2x. This can be written as this, and this is can be also written as this. But in the positive case we take the negative part. Positive case we take the negative part, and negative case we take the positive part here. Now take the question number 59 here, integration of cos x plus sin x divided by under root sin 2x. Sin 2x dx. This can be written as here cos x, integration of cos x plus sin x divided by, in the positive case we take the negative part this, so that this is equal to under root 1 minus, and in bracket 1 minus sin 2x dx. Now this can be written as here, this can be written as here, integration of cos x plus sin x divided by 1 under root 1 minus 1 can be written as sin square x plus cos square x, sin square x plus cos square x, and minus sin 2x, 2 sin x into cos x. Here, because we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so that in place of 1 we can write this, and sin 2x, 2 sin x into cos x. This can also be written as here integration of cos x plus sin x divided by under root 1 minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. This can be written as a minus b का whole square, so that sin x minus cos x to the power 2 and dx, putting sin x minus cos x equal to t. Now differentiating it with respect to x, sin x equal differentiation of this sin x cos x minus cos x. This is equal to minus sin x, and that minus plus sin x dx equal to dt. Here, now putting this in our program, integration of cos x plus sin x dx, cos x plus sin x dx equal to dt, so that this is equal to dt divided by under root 1 minus, this is equal to t square. Now, as you know that integration of dx divided by under root 1 minus x square equal to sin inverse x. Here, in this case, integration of this is equal to sin inverse t, and putting sin inverse t equal to here t equal to sin x minus cos x, sin x minus cos x, and one integrating constant c. This is integration of our problem 59 here. Now we take next problem here. Now question number 60. Integration of cos x minus sin x divided by under root sin 2x dx. Here, in this case, here is negative, we take the positive part here in place of sin 2x, so that cos x minus sin x divided by under root sin 2x. This can be written as 1 plus sin 2x minus 1. If we remove this we get this simple, so that 1 plus sin 2x, putting here 1 sin square x plus cos square x, and this is a 2 sin x into cos x, so that this become sin x plus cos x to the power 2 here. Now putting sin x plus cos x is equal to t, then the differentiating it with respect to x, sin x cos x and cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dt, so that in place of this our integral become here cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt, so that this is equal to dt and this is equal to This is here in this case, this is equal to t square minus 1, and as you know that integration of dt under t square minus 1, this is equal to log t plus under t square minus 1, and we add the integrating constant here, so that putting the value of t, in this case sin x plus cos x, so that ln sin x plus cos x plus under root t square minus 1 sin square plus cos x square to the power 2 minus 1, and 1 integrating constant c here. Now we see the another problem 61 here, cos x minus sin x. Now here integration of cos x minus sin x divided by under root 2 minus sin 2x dx. Here in this case we take cos x minus sin x divided by this become 3 and minus sin 2x plus 1. If we open this is negative sign, and minus 1, this is 2. No change in this problem here. Now integration of cos x minus sin x divided by 3 minus here this sin x plus cos x to the power 2, because we expand this 2 sin x into cos x plus sin square x plus cos square x, so that putting the sin x plus cos x equal to t simply, so that differentiating it with respect to x, sin x cos x and cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt, so that our integration become cos x minus sin x dx, cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt here, and divided by 3 minus this is t square, so that we arrange this is 3, we can write under 3 to the power 2 minus t square, and integration of this we apply the formula dx by under root a square minus x square equal to sin square x by a, so that this will be sin inverse t by under root 3, putting the value of t here, sin x plus cos x equal to t, so that sin inverse constant c here, so that this is our answer. Now we take another example here. Now here question number 62. Solution 62 here, integration of dx divided by under root a square minus x square here. Now according to substitution methods, in this case we substitute x equal to a sin theta, in this case x equal to a sin theta, so that a square sin square theta, so that here comes 1 minus sin square theta, that is equal to cos square theta, so that under root remove. In such type of problems we choose the substituent such that solve easily here. Now differentiating it with respect to theta, with respect to x, this will equal to dx equal to dx by dx, and this is d by dx a sin theta. This can be written as d by d theta, d by d theta a sin theta, and d theta by dx, this is equal to 1 here, 1 equal to a sin theta cos theta d theta, and dx comes here, so that here comes dx is equal to a cos theta d theta, and with the help of this sin theta equal to x by a, so that sin inverse, so that theta equal to sin inverse x by a, we can write this. Now in this case, so dx can be written as integration of a cos theta d theta divided by under root a square, and x is equal to a sin theta a square sin square theta, so that this is equal to integration of a cos theta d theta divided by a comes here, and 1 minus sin square theta, so that integration of a cos theta d theta divided by a 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta, so that under root remove, this is a cos theta d theta cos theta, and here a cos theta remove, integration of 1 d theta, that is equal to simple theta. This can be written as theta equal to sin inverse x by a, and we write one integrating constant c. This is our answer, sin inverse x by a. Now question number 63 here. Integration of dx divided by under root x square minus a square. As we know that 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Here 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. In this case, putting x equal to a sec theta, so that sec square theta minus 1, we can write tan square theta, so that putting x equal to a sec theta, so that dx equal to a sec differentiation of this sec theta tan theta d theta. Now dx equal to a sec theta tan theta d theta divided by under root a sec square theta minus a square, and we take a square common, under root sec square theta minus 1, that is equal to tan square theta, and after remove the under root this simple tan theta, so that a tan theta remove sec theta d theta, integration of sec theta equal to log of sec theta plus tan theta, and sec theta equal to x by a. With the help of this, sec theta equal to x by a, so that x by a, and tan square theta sec square theta minus 1 right here, and sec theta equal to x by x square by a square, so that x square minus a square by simple a remove from under root, and x plus under root x square minus a square by a. Mod of this is because log, value of log does not exist in negative part, and this a comes in the integrating constant c, so that integration of this is equal to ln x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. Now question number 64 here, dx by under root x square plus a square. In this case, putting 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, so that putting x equal to a tan theta, so that dx equal to differentiation of this sec dx equal to a sec square theta d theta, and putting the value of this and here a tan square theta plus a square. A square take common and comes here a. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So that a sec square theta d theta divided by a sec theta. So that a remove and here only sec theta. Value the integration of sec theta equal to log of sec theta plus tan theta. And here tan theta equal to x by a, so that here sec theta equal to under root 1 plus tan square theta, putting the value of tan theta. Here similarly comes a, this comes in the integrating constant, so that integration of this is ln mod of x plus root x square plus a square plus c. Now like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.